I'm like in 3 rooms over from my drone, and the Wi-Fi bar is at the bottom. It can get signal loss. I'm in the shower actually. Now I have the phone horizontal. Now as I rotate the phone vertical, notice that the Wi-Fi signal goes up. Now I'm going to rotate it horizontal, and as it goes down. So this is a tip for how to increase the Wi-Fi. Look, it just signal loss. I better get back to the other room. But this is a tip on how to get this Wi-Fi signal better. It's better to hold it vertically if you happen to be at the very edge.